So, Dr. Jain, my question to you this morning, can soursop leaf tea actually cure cancer?
Well, the answer to this question is still something researchers are also finding.
Mhm.
Well, but we do have interesting data around this question. So I do would like to extend my information with you, our audience, everyone,
Sure, tell us.
because because we know that the internet is flooded with all these advertisements about the soursop tea leaves and its all medicinal benefits that it can treat, cure, or prevent cancer. The modern scientists have actually studying about this plant for more than 50 years. And the interesting part is that we have come across hundreds of phytochemicals in the leaves, such as acetogenins, alkaloids, phenols, which actually kills cancer cells. But unfortunately, the results are limited to lab analysis and their animal subjects. So that is a good news that we have reached to a positive conclusion that these leaves are of great importance.
I'm glad that you said that, because here in the Caribbean, very often you hear that people say once you have cancer, try this, try the soursop leaves. It can help, and I do understand because when you have been given a diagnosis like this, you want to hold on to anything, you want to try anything that can kill these cancer cells. So thank you so much for sharing that information.